Good evening, I'm Ankita Singh and welcome to the 9 p.m. news bulletin on Channel 6 network. The 2025 budget session of Parliament will begin tomorrow, 31st January, with President Draupadi Murmu's address. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is scheduled to present the Union Budget on 1st February, which will outline the government's economic plans for the upcoming fiscal year. In entertainment news, Saif Ali Khan's sister, Sabaa Pataudi, has slammed critics who questioned her brother's quick recovery after his stabbing attack. Sabaa urged people to educate themselves about the recovery process, defending her brother's swift return to health. Turning to politics, the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, has seen a significant 87% surge in donations ahead of the 2024 elections. Meanwhile, Congress has reported an even larger increase, with a 320% rise in contributions. This surge is partly due to electoral bond funding, which is playing a crucial role in party finances as the elections approach. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has highlighted India's growing potential in the live concert industry, following the success of Coldplay's performances in Mumbai and Ahmedabad. He urged improvements in infrastructure to further boost the live event economy in India. In a related call to action, PM Modi has emphasized the need for investment in concert infrastructure to fully capitalize on India's emerging position in the global live event sector. Looking ahead, experts are analyzing the five-fold diplomatic challenges India faces ahead of PM Modi's meeting with US President Donald Trump in February. These challenges include addressing trade, defense, and technology concerns while strengthening bilateral ties with the Trump administration. In a tragic development from Uttar Pradesh, a man named Badar Badruddin has been arrested for allegedly killing his wife and 4 daughters with the help of his son. The horrific murders occurred in December 2024, sending shockwaves through the local community. In Jammu and Kashmir, authorities have dismantled a major interstate drug trafficking network. 2 suspected drug dealers, identified as Raju Gupta from Bareilly and Mohammad Abrar from Delhi, were arrested in connection with the operation. Investigations are ongoing, and further arrests are expected. In a heartening story from Uttar Pradesh, 2 school students have designed an innovative safety sandal with a built-in SOS feature aimed at protecting women. The sandal can send distress alerts to designated contacts, providing a vital tool for women's safety. It is both affordable and accessible, marking a significant step forward in women's protection. In sports, Virat Kohli has declined the captaincy for Delhi's Ranji Trophy return. Instead, he has opted to focus on team play as Delhi faces Railways in their final group game. Kohli's decision comes as he makes his first domestic appearance in years after training in Alibaug under former India batting coach Sanjay Bangar. Lastly, former AAP councillor Tahir Hussain, accused in the 2020 Delhi riots, has been granted custody parole to campaign for the Delhi elections. Hussain will be allowed to campaign for 12 hours a day under strict conditions, including a significant financial deposit for his security arrangements. That's all for tonight's news. Stay tuned for more updates, and thank you for watching Channel 6 Network.